Hey everyone, welcome to Rival Health. You know, the health of our society is really driven off its individuals. Well, that's you and me. The same goes for any company. The vibrancy and the energy of any organization is driven off of its employees. Well, most of us have a Thigh Master or a bunch of pills and powder sitting in our pantry that didn't work. We were looking for that silver bullet.
What do you know? Someday is now. I sip another coffee cup. Some way, somehow, these tired eyes must open up. Black shades back on the brow. An invitation to the world. Don't break, don't let me down. 'Cause it's all there waiting.
Would you like fries with that?
Nothing ever is enough. Nothing ever is enough. Keep it coming 'cause you know I want it all. Nothing ever is enough. Nothing ever is enough. Keep it coming 'cause you know I want it all.
At my best, I help my company succeed.
At my best, I can finish a full marathon in 3 hours and 43 minutes.
My best can't be measured by a device.
At my best, I am the top sales rep for my company.
At my best, I will spend time with my grandchildren.
When I'm at my best.
At my best?
At my best.
You are in the position and have the responsibility to help your people reach their best.
Request form can be used to roll over funds into your 8
Wellness. Sure, I get it. Healthy and happy employees do more, they cost less, and they create a great working environment. The question is, do you get it? Does your company get it? There are 3 kinds of companies out there. Which one would you want to work for?
Exercise is one of the best drugs on earth. I enjoy finding that in the morning, energizing me the rest of the day, and feeling great about things. It does great things for your mind, for your body, for your soul. You feel energized. You can look at the positives and look at the negatives of the life. You can say glass is half full, half empty. I guess I see it as it's my objective to fill the glass up.